So after cleaning the spark plugs, I think they're no good and they kept on getting dirty. I think one because we're running bad gas, and the car would turn on and it would turn off after I put in some other ones. I put some new ones. It would run for a little bit and it would turn off, and I put the scanner and I got these codes. I checked into a video, and it came up with when the intakes or vacuum lines, or when they come loose, it usually pops out. This is the one that I had on the car, and this one's from the donor, but I think this is a problem. And this is the intake that exploded when James put too much carb clean on it.
Oh fuck, fire!
You could see, I'm pretty sure this got damaged. But the main problem is over here. There's a hole through it, so I'm pretty sure it's getting air through here, and it needs a gasket all around here, like this one. And this one doesn't have it, and I was like, where could it be? Like, I didn't take it off, but yep, it's right there, and it's broke. It's burnt, because when it burned, I guess it just, when I opened it, it came off, and you can see it's all burnt. And you can see there, even the wire. Look at the tag. Look at the text, should be like this. It got burnt. I got this one from the parts car that we have here. I think this alone in Rock Auto, this part right here, is 50 bucks. I think for the cheapest one in Rock Auto. And I don't know if I was going to be able to find the gasket that goes here, or probably make it or something, but I mean, the parts card still keeps saving us money for 200 bucks. What do you want? So right now we're just going to throw it in there and see how it acts. I also changed the front tire and wheel, because we used to have this one. After installing the intake, well, the mass flow sensor, and some vacuums that I had that were broken, I fixed this one. You can see it. It works. So yeah, that was the issue. Now I just have to put all the interior, vacuum and everything inside, and make that thing where I need to put the headlight and the tail lights, connect them, and maybe take it for a test drive to see how well it actually drives. I mean, it's smooth at idle, but I haven't tried it out in gear or anything, because I have the F-150 on the way. So besides the car not wanting to turn on and the intake blowing up on it, the main reason why I didn't want to turn on was that the theft light kept coming on. But we didn't get to record that. I think since this, they call it the antenna, this came off from over here and it kept on disconnecting. The key, I guess it deprogrammed, or I don't know, and it kept saying theft. Every time you try to start it, you pull the key and you see the theft light coming on and coming on. But the way we fixed it is that it will say to reprogram it, that we just put the key, leave it forward for like, it said 5 to 10 minutes, like 3 times, doing it 3 times. We did that 3 times, and then we tried turning it on, and then the theft light came off. So apparently that's how you restart the key. That's one of the main problems that it had. That's why. And the other one was James added too much starting fluid to it. But yeah, that's basically the main problem, that it had the theft light on, and I didn't even notice until I told James, you know what, I think after the thing got on fire, I was like, I think the theft light is coming on, that's why it doesn't want to start. And after that, we didn't get to record it, but it would start for like a few seconds and it'll turn off. But it was because of that, because the theft light kept coming on. So you have that theft problem. I'm pretty damn sure if you have the key belongs there, it's deprogrammed or something. So just so you guys know, that's how you program it. What is he doing, buddy?